We wanted to create an exhibit that was culturally relevant and spoke to the theme of climate change.
Working together with the V&A, there's a lot of rigor with the type of vendors that we bring in, the material that we use. And so seeing that this material has low VOC and it has a high fire retardancy, it just made sense. We went to the world leader in this type of substrate, which is Barrisol Welsh. We work together with them to use this reflective material versus genuine glass. Not only is it 100% recyclable, but it makes it a lot easier to install. Although our studio primarily focuses on high-end decorative light fixtures, this was an opportunity to really flex our creative muscles and create a very experiential exhibit that people can navigate through. The piece has a sense of expansion, compression, mortality, reflection. Working together with Barrisol Welsh, it's been great from day one all the way to delivery and installation. They work together with us to help inform us on the capabilities of their product, but also help it to be executed to perfection.